Welcome to Hope Talker English.
Hi, Judy. How are you?
I am great. Thanks.
John, my Judy is really innocent.
John, Jenny's friend. How is this possible? Why she invited him? Broke man.
Miss Judy, are you thinking something?
No, nothing. I really like the decoration. Thanks. Let's cut the cake.
Happy birthday, Jenny. The party was amazing.
Thanks. Everyone has gone. Party is over.
Jenny, I have not given you birthday gifts. It's time to give you.
What's that? I can't wait.
First of all, I really like your personality. Your dad is a great man.
And?
And you have to come with me.
Where? I am so curious.
It's a surprise. You have to wait.
All right. I am ready to go.
The party was amazing. Did you have fun?
Yes, enjoyed a lot. Darling. Do you know? What does Jenny's friend doing?
He is fashion designer.
Fashion designer. My foot.
What happened, honey?
Honey. Your cousin is a great person. I think that boy is playing with Jenny.
Who? Are you talking about John?
Yes, honey.
It's not like that. He is a great person.
Okay, honey. If you were saying so. Wow, this place is phenomenal. What a beauty. I really like your surprise.
Your surprise is here. Come.
This is the best birthday in my life.
Do you like it?
Yes, thank you, John. You made my night.
Jenny, I want to say something.
Yes, John.
I really like you. I want to spend my life with you.
John, do you?
Yes. I love you. Will you marry me?
John, I love you too. Yes, I will marry you. I have to get Edmund's property. I have to find a better way. I can't wait anymore. How was the party? Did you have fun?
Everything was great, Mom. And I proposed Jenny.
What? Really? What did she say?
She said yes. She also likes me.
I am so happy for you, my son. God bless you. Jenny is a great girl.
She will talk to her dad about us. We will marry soon.
Are you going to stay here after marriage?
No, Mom. I bought a house for us. My business is growing fast. We will live there.
I am over the moon right now. Your dreams are coming true, my son.
What happened, my son?
You know, we got the new project.
Yes, I know. You invested your shares. We got the project.
It was fraud. That company was fake. I lost everything. I don't have money.
What? We have lost everything.
Yes. I don't have more shares to invest. I saved your company. But
But what?
a lot of workers are resigning. They are not getting paid. We have to shut down this company.
We are broke again. I have lost everything.
We have our house. But we have to shut down this company.
Judy can't stand it.
Don't worry, I will find a good job. I will take care of her. How was your party last night?
It was great, Dad. I can't forget last night. I am so happy.
Really? What was so special?
Dad, I want to ask something. Do you like John?
Yes, he is a good boy. He is hardworking.
Dad. He wants to marry me. He proposed me last night.
Tell me your wish. Do you like him or not?
I love him. I also want to marry him.
All right then. I have no objection. You are happy, so I am happy.
I love you, Dad. You are the best dad.
Keep happy.
John is calling. Hi, John. How are you?
I am great, thanks. Jenny, my business took off. I bought a new house.
I am so happy for you, John. You made my day. It's a great news. Congrats.
You have to come right now. I am sending you the location.
I have a great news to tell you. I am coming.
What did he say?
His business took off. He bought a new house.
That's great.
He wants to show me his home. Can I go, Dad?
Yes, my daughter, live your life.
This is our house. Finally, we have our own house.
Our bad days have gone, Mom. God bless our sweet home. We will live together.
I wish your dad's still with us.
Mom, don't be sad. It's your time to live your life. Do anything you wanted to do. You sacrificed a lot for me.
God bless you, my son. The living room is really beautiful.
I am glad you liked it, Mom. I think Jenny came.
Welcome home, my darling. Thanks. I really like your house. It's lovely. Congrats, both of you. John, I talked to my dad about us. He said yes. He has no objection. We can marry soon.
Really? Oh my God. I can't believe it. I am so happy today.
Oh, my darling, welcome home. How was your day?
Judy, we have got a bad news.
What's the matter? What happened?
You know, we got the project. It was fake company. I invested my shares in this project.
Yes, I know. You invested your shares to save our company.
That company was fake. We lost our shares.
In short, we have lost everything. Workers are not getting paid. They resigned.
What about this house?
Our house is safe. But
But what?
we had to shut down our company. We are broke.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. I know you are going to love it.